Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to fix the problem with Reddit. Some people are actually suffering from this problem or from this bug on Reddit application. So what is this problem? The problem is there is no sounds on NSFW videos. Why? I don't know why. As you can see right here from Reddit help part right here on the Reddit platform, you can see that people say that other videos do have audio. When I got to an NSFW subreddit and check some videos, no sound low. So this is a common problem with Reddit, and in today's video I'm going to help you to fix this problem in just 5 minutes. So if you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. This way you are going to motivate me to upload more videos and share more useful videos. Alright, good. So as you can see, here is the solution right here on this blog. I will share the link of this article right here that I just found on the internet. Alright, and I just follow the instructions right here or the steps, and I got the problem fixed. But before sharing with you the secret or the thing that you need to do to fix this problem, I'm going to suggest you, if you are interested in getting some coupons on some email marketing softwares or some hosting companies, tracking softwares, Clickfunnels, Hostinger, HostGator, many different things that are actually so good. You can get some good coupons right there, sometimes up to 40% off. So make sure to check the link below of this video as well in the description. This is our website, and you are going to support us by using our coupon codes. So that was everything. Let's get back to the tutorial. So as you can see right here, this is the link. It's nota.ii. I'm going to leave the link in description anyway. So as you can see, how to get sound on the Reddit app step-by-step guide. So as you can see right here, it just said how to turn on sound on the Reddit app. So here are a couple of ways to turn the sound on for videos on the Reddit mobile app. So the first step that you need to make sure you check out is that if you are using a phone has a silent switch on the side, turn it off. Okay, this is the step 2. The first step. This is the second step from the feed. When you scroll to a video you would like to turn the sound on for, click the speaker icon at the bottom right of the video. From the video player, click the speaker icon at the bottom right of the screen. Alright? So how to get sound on Reddit application. So right now we are talking about on Reddit application. There are two applications that are going to help you to fix this problem that you can download for iOS and for Android devices. The first one is and he said right here, some videos will say video doesn't have sound. Reddit does not allow sound for NSFW videos on the mobile app, as you can see, and read this many times. Doesn't allow sound for NSFW videos on the mobile app, but there is a way around it, which will go over here. The step 1, if you have an iOS device, download Apollo. So just search for this Apollo for Reddit, okay, from the App Store, of course. Then if you have an Android device, download this application, which is Sync, from the Google Play Store as well. This is the icon of the application to make sure you are downloading the right application. Alright, so the step 2 is turn the NSFW filters off for the app you have downloaded in step 5. So if you download an application, do that. Make sure to turn the NSFW's filters off for the app you have downloaded in step 5. And step 3 is use the app you downloaded in step 5 to navigate the video you want to watch. You will be able to view the video with sound, and so we are going to use these applications, Apollo or Sync, to view the videos with sound. Here's some fakes. Why does Reddit say the video doesn't have sound? Sometimes there will be videos on Reddit without sound. It's simply a video that did not have sound, then the user uploaded it. When the user uploaded it, so it's actually naturally a video without any origin sound, so it's actually recorded without any sound, and this is normal because it doesn't record it with a sound. If the video contains adult content, it will not have sound as well, so make sure you are not watching adult content on Reddit and you are trying to get sound. Alright, so how to get sound on Reddit for NSFW. That content, so sound will automatically be on mute for NSFW content on the Reddit app. When you press the speaker icon, it will not enable sound. You can download Apollo for us or Sync. So as he recommend these two applications, and they're actually working. Just make sure to try them, and just make sure to visit this page right here. If you didn't understand something, just make sure to visit this page right here, or this website. I will leave the link in the description below, and you are going to see the steps, and just make sure to follow them step by step to make sure you fix this problem for yourself. And again, thanks for watching my videos. If you are actually interested in getting some coupons on some email marketing platforms or subscriptions, you can get some coupon codes on our website. For example, we have GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp. These three softwares are super good for email marketing. For some project management tools, we have Monday, coupon code 10% off, Hive as well, coupon code ClickApp. If you are interested in some hosting platform for creating websites, we have Bluehost, we have Namecheap as well. Hosting, we have Hostinger, HostGator, GoDaddy, A2 hosting as well. I don't know why picture is not showing on right here. We have WordPress as well, and Wix coupon. So make sure to visit our website if you are interested in getting some good coupon codes for your next purchase on some email marketing or some internet marketing platforms or tools in the future. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next video.